Alright, time to do valves now that we got the valve cover and stuff off. So first I just want to show you, this is like my little cheat sheet. So it tells me, just step out here into the sun, stand under some shade right over there. So it tells me intake and exhaust patterns and then the clearances, because you want to work from the front of the motor to the back, and you obviously want to use the right clearance size. So those are the clearances for each cylinder, intake, exhaust. Now, some people do all the intakes and all the exhausts. I'm going to just do whichever one's pointing in the right direction. So, as you can see, the lobe is kind of at like the 1 o'clock position right there. So, you get to that position, and then you're going to take a feeler gauge. And the first one is an exhaust valve, because we have that little cheat sheet. And the clearance for that would be 0.014. So I'm going to take my 0.014 feeler gauge and give it a slide. Alright, so that one's all good. Now, if I go through and a bunch of these are good, then I might not go through all of them, but we'll see. I mean, it's quick enough. Another thing which I haven't talked about is the tools to do this. So for $100 you can buy Mercedes wrenches to do this, or it might even be more than that. Or you can buy two 14 mils, as I've done. You can heat them up and put a bend in them like that, and then you have to take one and you have to grind it. So you can see the difference in thickness between the two. This one goes for the locking nut, and this one's for the adjuster nut. So by using these two things, it makes it so that's a lot easier job than trying to wrestle like actual straight wrenches into the slot. So these are key to making it an easy job. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the motor over. I have a 7/16 wrench, or 7/8. You're supposed to use a 22 mil, but this is close. We're going to just look for the next valve that turns that position, which is going to be this one, I believe. Okay, so we're now on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's intake on number 3. So that's going to be the thin one right here. Alright, so that one seems pretty tight. Alright, so now we do, let's take the two wrenches. So now that you've seen one done, I'm just going to go through the rest, but that's the basic procedure. Turn to that position, slide the feeler, see if it'll go through. If it won't, you take your 2 wrenches, you put them on the nut as I showed, you loosen the nut, you adjust it so that you get a slight resistance on the feeler, then you do the locking nut back to it, move to the next cylinder. It's pretty quick. You're going to see me just bang through the rest. It takes about half an hour. Alright, I've had the charger on my Mercedes. Let's hope that actually does something and the thing charges and it starts right now. I just figured I'd show you it because it looks good. Tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm going to go sailing, and here's the rig. Got the 6.5 turbo diesel Tahoe. Cleaned it today, kinda. Just sprayed off with the foam cannon. And it's hooked up to my Vanguard 420. They're pretty fast boats. It's normally used as like kind of a junior racing boat, but the issue with a sailboat is you can't just buy like a really fast sailboat and then sail by yourself. Or let me finish before. So you can't really buy a really fast sailboat and sail by yourself because you have too much sail area for you to be able to counteract that. So I have a sailboat that's kind of for junior sailing because the crew weight is designed around like 280, 300 pounds. So it's just enough that I can sail it and I can hold the thing level in high winds. If I had any bigger of a boat, I wouldn't really be able to sail by myself and counteract the wind force that's on the boat. So that's what's going on with that. But more importantly, let's see if this thing starts. Alright, all done with the maintenance on the all done with the maintenance on the slammed OG Benz. Gonna pull her out, just gotta put that one panel back on. Alright guys, so maintenance is all done, and I can tell you just from that little bit that I drove it, just pulling it off the ramps, thing's got a lot more power now, for sure. Check it out. It's definitely better than it was before. Awesome how much of a difference that makes. Sweet guys, so I guess I'm pretty much done with this for now. I can't, well actually maybe I'll leave it down here and leave it plugged in for the night since I had issues with the battery, but pretty sweet, feels a lot quicker. Definitely restored some power in doing this stuff. So since it's dark, that's gonna be all for now. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. You can catch me on Instagram at Lowristocrat, and yeah, that's all for today.